Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download Twitch bots. So I have some few methods that I can show you, and the first thing that I can show is by downloading Internet Download Manager. This is what I usually do. It's a paid application, but you can have a trial if you want. And after you install it, what happens is that it installs an extension to your browser, which is this one, the IDM integration module. And then what happens is that it captures videos that it will detect online. Let me just show you how it works. Let's say we want to go watch this Kaide's past streams that already passed. So like this one here, it's already a long time ago. So it's already a VOD. And as you can see, IDM immediately detects it, and you just need to click on that and download it. The quality TS file is a video file, so you just choose whatever quality you want. So I'm just gonna choose the lowest one because I don't really need to download that big one right now. And as you can see, it's gonna start downloading the VOD. Alright. Okay, so another one is this one. This is untwitch.com. Let's just head over to twitch.tv and just copy the link of the VOD that you want to download. For example, like I said, like Kaide's past stream, just copy that, it's a video, and then just paste it into here, submit, and it should convert it into a video that you should be able to download. It might take a while because like Twitch streams are typically long if you're unaware. Alright, here it is. We have the video. Now it's starting to download, but it's gonna take a while because it's trying to know how much this video actually, how heavy this video actually is. And it's actually really heavy. But yeah, that is how you can download Twitch bots. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.